Real estate is one of the most promising investment vehicles right now, but the problem most people have is that they simply don't know what to do. But since real estate investing is one of the most rewarding careers you can pursue. As with any profession, specific tips and tricks can help you succeed in this industry. That's why in this video, I'll share 5 real estate investing tips everyone should know in 2023. Keep watching until the end because I want to give you the most underrated tip in this investment. These tips will help you navigate the ever-changing real estate market and provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to achieve success as a real estate investor. Without any more fuss, here are 5 real estate investing tips everyone should know. Number 5. Have a clear plan of action before beginning. If you don't know where you're going, how can you expect to get there? I think we all have a pretty good idea of what success looks like. It might be climbing the corporate ladder, or it might be owning your own business, or it might be having enough money so that you never have to work again. Whatever it is, it's something that means a lot to us. It's something we want right now. As a new real estate investor, it is crucial to have a clear strategy before making any investments. Before you spend any money on real estate, you should clearly understand your destination and the path you intend to take. This means doing your market research and formulating your real estate investment strategy. There are many different factors and variables to consider in real estate investing, and trust me, without a plan, you can easily get sidetracked and make mistakes. An advice I can give you is to consider the type of real estate assets you want to invest in. There are 4 major real estate asset classes: residential, commercial, land, and particular use. Remember, an asset class has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and it's essential to understand the pros and cons of each before deciding. Take note also that there are 3 prominent real estate investment strategies: core, value-added, and opportunistic. Each strategy has its risks and rewards, and choosing one that aligns with your personal investment goals and situation is critical. Once you have a clear strategy, stick to it and adjust as needed. Believe me when I say this, real estate investing is not a one-size-fits-all adventure, and your strategy may need to change over time as you gain more experience and learn more about the market. Get this. Having a clear strategy in place will help you stay focused and make better informed decisions, increasing your chances of success in the long run. Number 4. Leverage today's technology to make your work easier. I know that you'd agree with me that real estate investing is a complex and time-consuming process, but did you know that using digital tools can make it much easier for new investors to manage their workload? Digital tools have revolutionized how real estate investors research the market data, find properties to invest in, and manage their investment portfolios. Let me tell you what I mean. One of the most valuable tools for researching market data is online real estate platforms such as Zillow and Rent Cafe. These websites provide detailed information about properties, including prices, square footage, and neighborhood data. They also allow investors to search for properties based on specific criteria, such as location, price, and property type. This makes it easier for investors to find properties that meet their investment goals and budget. The best part is this: once a property is purchased, software such as SmartMove can screen tenants and manage rental properties. You can use cloud-based real estate software systems such as Stessa to track and manage the investment portfolio's performance as it grows. This allows you to see how your investments perform in real time and adjust as needed. And guess what else? Social media marketing is another powerful digital tool that you can use to promote and market yourself and one's business in the real estate market. Platforms like Facebook for Business, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Twitter can help you connect with potential clients, share industry insights, and build a personal brand. This can attract new clients and build a strong reputation in the industry. By leveraging these tools, you can make better informed decisions, increase efficiency, and ultimately achieve your investment goals. Keep your mind on the tips until the end because the best is yet to come. I will show you the remaining tips to make you a successful real estate investor, but before that, show your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Share this as well so that it can spread to more people. Number 3. The strength of your team determines your success. In the world of startups, it's tempting to think that the most important thing is the idea. The truth is, great ideas are worthless without the right team to execute them. Building a solid and dedicated team is crucial to real estate investing. A successful real estate investor is only as good as the team they have in place. The importance of having a team with consistency and chemistry cannot be overstated. Trust me, a team that works well together can make the process of real estate investing more efficient, effective, and profitable. I suggest you start building your team early on, even with your first property purchase. Find team members focused on real estate as they will have the knowledge and experience that can be vital to your success. For example, a real estate agent specializing in investment properties will better understand the market trends and be able to find properties that are suitable for your investment goals. Similarly, a lawyer who specializes in real estate and contract law will be able to guide you through legal matters and ensure that your transactions are carried out legally and efficiently. An accountant who understands the tax advantages of real estate will be able to help you take advantage of tax savings and deductions. Here's the catch. Be prepared because not all team members may work out, and it may take some time to build the perfect team. Team members may need to be more proactive than you are, or may have a different level of dedication to your investment goals. In these cases, you must be willing to make changes and refine your team as you go along. Number 2, be prepared for the unexpected. Always have a plan B in place. In real estate investing, having this is the difference between success and failure. It's a simple fact. If you don't plan for things going wrong, then they're more likely to go wrong. Think about it like this. If you're driving down the highway and suddenly start skidding on a huge ice, what do? Do you keep going straight ahead because driving straight ahead is your plan A, or do you swerve into the next lane? Real estate investing can be unpredictable and things sometimes go differently than planned. Unexpected events such as property repairs, tenants that disappear, or an overzealous zoning inspector can occur, so you should prepare for them. Having a plan B in place can help mitigate the risks and minimize the impact of these unexpected events on your investments. One of the key elements of having a plan B is budgeting realistically and accurately. This means having a clear understanding of the costs associated with owning and managing a property and being prepared for unexpected expenses. Having reserves aside to cover these unexpected expenses is also important. This is especially true as cash is king in the real estate investing business, and having funds can help you weather unexpected financial challenges. Another important aspect of having a plan B is not biting off more than you can chew. It can be easy to get caught up in the excitement of the business and take on more than you can handle. Take my advice, start small and gradually grow your portfolio as you gain more experience and confidence. Number 1. A well-organized investor is a successful investor. Organized real estate investors are always winners. I know, that's a pretty bold statement, but let me explain. I'm not saying that disorganized investors lose every time, but it does happen. And it happens a lot more often than you might think. Being organized is one of the most critical aspects of real estate investing. A well-organized investor can make better decisions, take advantage of opportunities, and ultimately be a winner in the real estate market. One of the key elements of being organized as a real estate investor is consolidating as much information as possible in one place. This includes market research data, property reports, closing statements, and tenant leases. Keeping all this information easily accessible allows you to quickly access and analyze data, making it easier to make informed decisions. Another essential aspect of an organization is using online financial and real estate management tools to accurately calculate and forecast income, expenses, and net cash flow. These tools help you keep track of your finances, budget accurately, and make sure you have reserves for unexpected costs, which can lead to generate strong ROI, decreasing the difficulty to attract outside investors if you can show them that you're organized and efficient. Here's my 2 cents. Learn from the mistakes of experienced real estate investors and use leverage and other people's money. This can help you avoid common pitfalls and increase your chances of success. Real estate investing can be a great way to build wealth and generate passive income. However, it's important to thoroughly research the market and understand the potential risks and expenses before doing so. By following the tips I mentioned, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful real estate investor. Now, the question I have for you is, what's your favorite tip from this list? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Keep watching this next video for all our tips to learn as a beginner real estate investor. So, click the video on the screen now and we'll see you in the next one.